first step is to make sure that the Microsoft Entity Framework or in-memory package is installed for the project. Next, we specify in the program that the Web Application Builder services should add a database context with options to use the in-memory database. Let's start our application and demo the Web API working with the in-memory database implementation. First, we execute the get HTTP operation to see no existing records. Next, we will post and create a new pizza to add to our in-memory database. We verify that the pizza was added to the in-memory database. Now stop the application, then start it back up. As expected, our pizza no longer exists because the in-memory database implementation only retains data while the app is running.